Welcome to my video podcast about optimizing your videos for maximum SEO impact. In today's digital landscape, YouTube videos are becoming increasingly important for businesses, organizations, and individuals alike. Here with you, Michelle Jessica Romero, speaking to you from my recording booth. I am a video optimization expert, and in this video podcast, I have prepared a crucial topic for the success of your channel and videos. Also, I'll share some vital advice and tricks to help you get the most out of your video content. If you stick to the end of this video, I will give you a tip on how to grow your channel subscribers. From understanding video metadata to optimizing your video descriptions and tags, I'll be taking you through the entire process of making your videos search engine friendly. So whether you're a small business owner, a content developer, or just someone who wants to improve their video SEO, this video is for you. Let's get started. Making your YouTube videos search engine friendly involves optimizing various aspects of the video and its surrounding elements to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines like Google. Here are the steps applied in the approach. Keyword research. Start by researching keywords related to your video content. This will help you identify the terms people dig for in your industry or niche. Video metadata. Ensure the video file is optimized correctly by including relevant keywords in the file name and description. Video title. The title of your video is an essential factor for search engines, so make sure that it is descriptive, concise, and includes your target keywords. Video description. The description should briefly overview the video content and include your target keywords. Video tags. Use relevant tags that describe the content of your video. This enables search engines to understand the topic of your video and makes it easier to categorize. Video transcript. Adding a transcript of your video can help improve its accessibility and search engine ranking, as it provides an additional source of keyword-rich content for search engines to index. Video thumbnail. Choose a visually appealing thumbnail that represents your video's content. Video hosting. Choose a video hosting platform that is search engine friendly and allows you to optimize the video's title, description, and tags. Promotion. Finally, promote your video on social media, embed it on your website, and encourage others to share it. This will help increase its visibility and drive traffic to your video. By following these steps, you can create more search engine friendly videos and increase the chances of people finding and watching your content. Well, now is time to give you the tip of the day. The artificial intelligence. This step-by-step tutorial teaches how to improve your SEO using OpenAI's ChatGPT artificial intelligence exponentially. Write nested functions quickly, calculate the number of unique text values in a list, write an essential invoicing macro, and more, all with just a few clicks and necessary refinements. Artificial intelligence, AI, can help your YouTube videos get more subscribers in various ways. First, AI can help you optimize your videos for search engine optimization, SEO. AI can analyze the content of your videos and suggest keywords and phrases that will enable your videos to rank higher in search engine results. This will make it easier for potential subscribers to find your videos. Second, AI can help you create more engaging content. AI can analyze the content of your videos and suggest. Well, my friends, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed my topic, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time soon. Your friend and instructor, Michelle Jessica Romero.